Hey, my awesome Time Lords and Time Tires, Garrison Teeny Mini 14 here, and welcome to another tutorial. It's like the previous one, but anyways, let's get into it. So what you want to do is you want to come up to here and click on this, and then you want to click on Create a Studio. Here we go. So it will say loading YouTube Studio. Sometimes it will say, oh, it's not working, please wait. But it will take a long time though, so let's wait for it anyways. Oh, yep, see. So I'm gonna wait until it loads, so let's wait. Alrighty, as it loads, you want to come down to here and turn this off because it's not really good. YouTube Studio, well, Create a Studio Classic's more better. But yeah, so once this comes up, you got all your videos, whatever how many you got, and you want to come over to here. So let's say this video hasn't got any tags, so you want to click edit on it as soon as it loads. So as it loads, if your tags are empty, see like that, don't worry, they'll load up. Just imagine this is empty right now. So as it loads up, you want to like come in here, type it, and also add like anything you want. So let's add, I'll add this word in, and then you can click here, see the tags go in, and that's how you do it, guys. So then you can click save changes, but some changes haven't been saved, sometimes that will happen. Just give it a chance, just click it one more time, and then it should be able to do it. It's going to take a while to load, so give it a few chances. Always click this. If it says the changes haven't been saved, do not leave, just go stay on the page and wait for a few minutes, click again, and then click back, and then do the same to the rest of your videos. And that's how we do it, guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for more. If you have any comments about this, go right ahead, I'll answer them right away. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial for today. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more. Put that notification bell on. Check out the previous video if you haven't seen it. Also, if you have any questions on that video or on here, just tell me and I will answer them for you. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.